In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make travel map animation video in Canva. The first thing you want to do is go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Create. After you have selected Create, from there you're going to select videos and you can choose the dimension. Let's say for example we were to select landscape video. After you have selected landscape video, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Apps. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar and from here you're just going to type in maps. So let's do that real quick. And you're going to see the option map video. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select map video. After you have selected map video, from here you can choose the duration. So you have 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's say for example we were to select 5. Then you can choose the type of plane icon. After you have done that, you can choose the country. So for example, the country that you would like the plane to be leaving. So let's say for example Australia. And then you can choose the country that the plane will be landing in. So let's say for example Botswana. After you have done that, you can choose to add flag fill and you can also choose to add text. And you're just going to tap on create video. Once you have selected create video, you're going to give it a few seconds. You can see the video right here. So you can play it. Once it's to your liking, you'll tap on add to design. After you have selected add to design, you're going to tap on the 3 dots and you're going to tap on set video as background. And that's it. Once you're finished, you could choose to add audio if you want. Then you can tap on share to share it. If we were to preview it, you can see how it looks right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.